In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to your calendar event titles and descriptions on Windows 10 and 11. Emojis are a simple, visual way to make your schedule easier to scan at a glance. A small icon can help you spot what matters right away. Think for a class, for a birthday, or for a deadline. Let's walk through exactly how to do it, step by step, and I'll share a few tips along the way to keep things neat and consistent. Start by opening the event you want to edit. Then click directly into the field where you want the emoji to appear. That can be the event title if you want the icon to show up in your calendar views, or the description if you prefer to keep things a bit more subtle. Make sure your text cursor is blinking in that field before moving on. Next, press the Windows key together with the period key, or the Windows key together with the semicolon key. Either shortcut works the same way. When you do this, the Windows emoji panel will pop up on your screen. If you don't see it, double-check that your cursor is active in a text box and that you're running Windows 10 or 11. With the emoji panel open, you can browse by category or just start typing a word to search, like birthday, school, or lightning. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you want. Take a moment to pick an icon that clearly represents the event. Consistency helps. Use the same emoji for similar events so your calendar stays clean. Now click the emoji you want, and it's inserted immediately at your cursor. You can add more than one if it helps, but try not to overdo it. One or two icons are usually enough to grab your attention without cluttering the text. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. The location of the Save button can vary by app, but it's usually near the top or bottom of the event window. Saving locks in your changes so the emoji appears everywhere that event shows up. That's it. Your event now displays the emoji in the title or description. As you scan your calendar, those small icons will help you quickly identify what's coming up. Use for a class, for a birthday, or for a deadline, and keep your system consistent across all your events. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the cleaner, more visual calendar you've just created.